Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another soul-stirring episode of the Reggae Hour Podcast, where we bridge the timeless sounds of reggae with forward-thinking musical movements. Today, we have the pleasure of introducing an artist whose sonic innovations have drawn global attention and admiration. Introducing Kvdence, a dynamic dancehall artist who goes beyond just riding rhythms. He redefines them. Born in New York City and raised under the vibrant skies of Mandeville, Jamaica, Kvdence, also known as Jonathan Patterson, embarked on his musical journey in the lively schoolyards and DJ sessions of his youth. His artistry is a melodic meeting point of generations, where classic Jamaican vibes are revitalized with fresh, modern production. Kdence's recent collaboration with YowLevite on the track Elephant signals a bold new step in cinematic dancehall, blending orchestral textures with deep bass lines for an experience that's both groundbreaking and immersive. As Kvdence himself says, whether he's writing lyrics, crafting beats, or performing live, his drive is powered by an unshakable belief in the stories that need to be told. Today, we'll dive deeper into his creative vision, the heartbeat of his music, and what lies ahead on his inspiring journey. Stay tuned as we explore with Kvdence the boundaries of dancehall and its role in the evolving landscape of global music.